Assalaamu alaykum. Welcome to another Tajweed tips and tricks tutorial. In this lesson we're looking at page 49 of the Safar Abridged Qa'idah, which is all other stops. Okay, so with box number 1, yakhluqu ma yasha'u. That's how you would normally read if you're carrying on. Now if you're going to stop at the end of that sentence, the hamza becomes sakin, meaning you put a sukoon on top of that hamza at the end there and you join sha with a little hiccup, which we've already done in previous lessons. You will have done once this whole playlist is completed, inshallah. So it's yakhluqu ma yasha, like that. It's not a full fatha on the hamza. You don't say it's just a little twitch. Yakhluqu ma yasha. Okay, like a little hiccup. With the next one, box number 2, radiyallahu anhum. Right, this is good because there's a sukoon already at the end. It's read the same whether you're going to continue or you're going to stop. That's the rule. Okay, if there's a sukoon already at the end and you're stopping on there, that doesn't need to change. Radiyallahu anhum. That's it. Same. Box number 3. لِنُثَبِّتَ بِهِ فُؤَادَكَ. With this one, the kaf becomes sakin. So you put a sukoon on the kaf, the dal then joins the kaf to end, if you're going to stop on there. So it becomes لِنُثَبِّتَ بِهِ فُؤَادَكَ. Okay. Box number 4. رَبَّنَا اغْفِرْ لَنَا. With this one, because it's alif and a fatha at the end, it stays the same. رَبَّنَا اغْفِرْ لَنَا stays the same. We're on box number 5 now. ذَلِكَ الدِّينُ الْقَيِّمُ. Same as the box above, the meme becomes sakin, so you put a little sukoon. Imaginarily put a sukoon on the meme and you stop on it like this. ذَلِكَ الدِّينُ الْقَيِّمُ. Do that one again so it's clear. ذَلِكَ الدِّينُ الْقَيِّمُ. And box number 6. يَا قَوْمِ لِمَ تُؤْذُونَنِي. Just like in box number 2, because you've got the sukoon at the end already, you don't need to change anything. It's read the same whether you're going to stop or you're going to continue. يَا قَوْمِ لِمَ تُؤْذُونَنِي. Same. Moving on to box number 7. Here we have وَلِلَّهِ الْمَثَلُ الْأَعْلَى. Here the standing fatha is read the same. There is a little ya there, but that's silent. When you're going to stop on the standing fatha, just like alif and a fatha, it stays the same. وَلِلَّهِ الْمَثَلُ الْأَعْلَى. Box number 8. مَعِيَ رَبِّي سَيَهْدِينِي. So with this one, the noon becomes sakin. The noon at the end of the sentence there, the noon becomes sakin. So basically you put a sukoon on it and you finish on it, so it's deen. At the end it becomes deen. Ma'iya Rabbi sayahdeen. Okay. On box number 9 now. This is Wallahu yasma'u tahawurakuma. Again, just like one of the boxes above, it's a alif and a fatha at the end, so it stays the same. Wallahu yasma'u tahawurakuma. Sorry, read that one again. Wallahu yasma'u tahawurakuma. It stays the same whether you carry on or you stop at the end of that ayat. We're pretty much out of time on this one. I'll do a second recording starting from 10 to the end, inshallah.